everyone, today we are going to review the Philips NA231 air fryer specifically by cooking a variety of food in it, ranging from french fries, chicken fry, cake to a whole chicken. If you want to know more about the features, specifications and preset functions of the air fryer, you could take a look at the video linked here. Else, let's get started. So we started with 400 grams of frozen french fries. The preset functions run for 31 minutes, but 400 grams of fries was ready in just 20 minutes. You would have to shake the basket 2 to 3 times in between, else the fries will not cook evenly. This batch of fries was cooked shaking 2 to 3 times and this batch just once. As you can see, the cooking is a lot more even when you shake it more often. For chicken, I air fried 500 grams, flipping them halfway through. Look at that crispy exterior, and when I cut into it, it is still juicy inside. This is where Philips outshines a lot of cheaper models I've tested. Most of the budget-friendly options take a long time to cook, and this leaves the chicken dry and almost unpalatable. And the secret of Philips is its higher wattage, which powers both a stronger fan and a more intense heating element. This combination allows Philips to reach a higher temperature quickly and remove surface moisture efficiently before the internal moisture can migrate outwards. The result is that perfect texture contrast that everyone wants. Crispy on the outside and soft and succulent on the inside. But that being said, there are a few things that you can do to make the taste and texture better. If you think air-fried food is boring and bland, then it's most probably because you use too little oil. Yes, it's true that air fryers reduce up to 90% oil consumption, but that rest 10% should go into your food. Next, make the surface of the food as dry as possible. Wet batters generally don't do well in air fryers. So pat dry your food before applying the marinade and make the marinade as dry as possible. You could probably add rice flour or breadcrumbs to make it crispier. Now coming back to the cooking performance of Philips NA231, for the ultimate test, we air fried an entire chicken at 180 degrees for 60 minutes. The results were impressive. Beautiful crisp skin with fully cooked juicy meat inside. My temperature probe showed 80 degrees internally, confirming it is perfectly safe to eat. Next, coming to samosas and spring rolls, if you use store-bought sheets, then yes, the results are pretty good. The roll is crispy and the insides are still moist in just 12 minutes. However, I have to be honest about homemade samosas. While the exterior is crisped up, they lack that authentic taste and texture without deep frying. I think some traditional foods simply can't be replicated perfectly. What we tried next was vegetable function, air frying lady's finger. 12 minutes on the preset function was too less, so we had to run it for another 10 more minutes to make it crispy enough. And finally, when it comes to baking, the cake comes out fairly well. The interior achieved an almost perfect texture, soft and fluffy. Next, coming to the cleanup, it's fairly straightforward. You could soak the basket in soapy water for stubborn stains, else use a soft sponge and soap to clean. Every once in a while, just wipe the heating element to get rid of any splatters. And very importantly, avoid dishwashers as in the long run, it may damage the non-stick coating. So if you have tried other air fryers and have been disappointed with it, then yes, Philips NA231 might be what you need. The purchase link is in the description. And in the next weeks, we are going to bring you a lot more content on air fryers, especially for Indian cooking. Hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss them. And if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It'll really help our channel grow. Thanks for watching.